Got this new gas cap.
First of many things going on to this.
We got a new build series going on for the Scramby. Let's get into it.
So we got that off. It's 4 bolts, 3mm Allen. These little guys. And now you gotta transfer this black piece onto the new one.
These 5 screws hold it on. So pop those out, and
the other thing is put a rag in here so you don't
drop the bolts into your gas tank.
Drop something in there. So let's swap this. So they give you these little spacers.
Screw them on, get them started, because they're going to fall out. They sit right under.
Hold it right up there.
They sit right under. So you get them started, the screws. This is going to sit in. And then once you have it set in place, you're going to take them off.
Yeah, you re-tighten that down to the tank with the first 4 bolts you took out. Then you take those out, put the new one on, and screw them in.
So,
that's it. Looks sick. One more key.
clean.
Beautiful. I love that. Easy. They give you the directions. It's pretty simple. If you can't do it, then you shouldn't be riding a bike. Although the directions do say have the kit installed by a trained technician or authorized workshop, and we're neither of those, so we were able to figure it out though. It looks fire.